If you forgot your admin password to Xerox B315, then we are coming with a quick fix for you. Simply just press back twice and then start twice. Find Out of Service Erase and run it. Press OK and it will automatically reset your printer to factory defaults. Remember that it might take a while. If it takes considerably too long, it might froze. Just unplug the power cable and plug it in again. Just make sure you really gave it a while to try on its own. Now printer will reboot, and voila! Congratulations! You just took down the admin password off of your device. As you can see, there are no admin restrictions now. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like down below.